Hello blessed people, welcome back to my channel where I discuss how-to videos, hauls, comment, and most commented videos. So make sure you subscribe, like, click the notification bell. What's up you guys, we're back with another video. In today's video I'm going to do a haul and I'm going to get straight to the video. I'm going to start with the food items that I purchased first. So I purchased 3 bags of Airheads, and these snacks right here for my son, but I've got 3 bags of Airheads. I purchased 5 of these Terrible gummy bears. Also got some Hosties, some Twinkies. I got 2 packs of Hosties, Twinkies. I hadn't eaten. These are for me. I hadn't had these in a long time. Since I was a kid, I decided I purchased these because I'm tired of eating them snacks I was. I got them out of the taste for. I got 2 of these. I also purchased these Jack's cookies. These are the best cookies to get to make banana pudding. Jack's, they Jack's wafers. And sometimes it's hard to find these because the older stores sell them like Sunflower. Now you may see them in more places when the holidays coming in, but they hard to find, but they are the best to make banana pudding with. Versus the yellow box vanilla wafers, these Jack's cookies here are the best to get for banana pudding. Then I got some drinks from Kroger because, like I said, most of my drinks usually come from Kroger. Sometimes they come from Walmart, but Kroger usually have the best sale on drinks. So that's what we finna do now, the drinks. And I got lemonade. I love lemonade. This is like my favorite drink. Lemonade, and then I always get like a Sprite. So I got these Sprites, and these are 2 liters. They were on sale. You have to purchase 4 or more in order to get them for 99 cents. But if you get 4 or more of them in of the 2 liters, then they were 99 cents at Kroger. So I usually get my drinks from there because you go to Walmart and you go to Dollar General and other stores, it's usually higher by like a quarter or more. A quarter to $1 or so. But I usually always get my drinks from Kroger. I also got some ham. And this ham is really good. It's called Nature's Choice ham. And I like the regular ham. So this right here is the smoked deli ham from Kroger. It's really, really good. Also. And other items that I got were Thousand Island, and I actually got 2 of these, and I got that ham to make to put in my salad. So I got 2 things of Thousand Island. I got the ham to put in my salad and to make just regular ham sandwiches with the ham that I purchased. I also got 4 of these Hershey's with almonds candy bar. I love the Hershey almonds candy bars. This one I got 4 of these. Then I got Laffy Taffies. I got the regular Laffy Taffies. These are the regular Laffy Taffies. And I also got the Laffy Taffy Bites. The items that I'm about to show you now are the non-food item. With that being said, make sure you subscribe, like, click the notification bell to see more content like this, to see more hauls, come with me's, DIY undercuts, and anything else you would like for me to do, just leave it in the comments down below. Make sure you can leave in the comments any questions that you want to, anything that you want to know about me, and because I'm gonna do a Q&A in the future, and just leave that in the comments below and I'll answer those. I got 2 things of baking soda. My son had to do a project on clay animals, so I bought baking soda for that because he had to have baking soda for it. And I just got Walmart brand. Wherever I was, I just got that brand of baking soda. Because it really don't matter. Baking soda is baking soda. Okay, there you go. And I got 2 of them. Next, I got some cotton balls. And I actually use these to put up in my nose for like my allergies and stuff real bad. So if I keep these in my nose during, like when I'm at work or something, it helps with my breathing and for my allergies. It'll take my allergies away. So that's the reason why I buy a lot of these. And I also use them to like disinfect my phone and to clean off different stuff too. And let's not forget the Summer's Eve dish. I always use Summer's Eve dishes whenever I use dishes. I use the Summer's Eve. And I got 3 deodorants, and these are Suave brand. Usually I get Suave, or I would get the Arm & Hammer kind. It really don't matter. Most of the time I'm gonna get this. I also get that, I think it's called Speed Stick. It's come in a purple container. But yeah, I get that too from time to time. I also got some Jergens Ultra Healing Body Comebacks Extremely Dry Skin, because I have skin eczema. And this helped with my skin eczema. So, well, I'm going to try it out to see if it's going to help with my skin eczema. Help to prevent skin eczema, because I have really dry skin during the winter part of the year. And so I have to use some kind of, some for skin, some for dry skin. And I'm going to try this. I usually use the Jergens. I don't have it. I'll try to leave a picture above. But I usually use the Jergens cream coconut cream. But I haven't seen anybody with it. So I'm going to try this. Now I'm currently using the Cantu Ultra Healing cream to try to keep it away. It's doing pretty good so far. But I like Jergens stuff, and I like stuff like this, so I'm gonna try this and see. Hopefully it'll do good. Here are some items I purchased for St. Patrick's Day, and I'll be designing my wall here with this as times get closer to that. And I bought this welcome sign. It looks like this. And I also bought this lucky and blessed sign. And like I said, I'll decorate. I call this my YouTube wall. I'll decorate that when it comes close to time to that month. I also got some tissue. So make sure you grab you some tissue, because this is allergy season. And the last thing I purchased were bath towels. I actually had ran out of bath towels simply because the holiday was up, and you know we got that superstition where you don't wash on Friday, the last Friday of the year. So I don't wash the last Friday of the year. So I had a lot more clothes. But after the holidays, I washed 2 days before New Year, just so I won't have to wash that Friday. Here are the towels. I got some more towels, and these actually were pretty good. They were on sale for 47 cents, so I grabbed 4 of them. And they look like this. Let's see if I can, yeah. They look like this. And I also, the last thing I bought were some permanent markers in different colors. And I purchased these for like $9. With that being said, make sure you guys subscribe, like, click the notification bell, and tune in to my next videos. And until next time, I leave you with love, peace, grace, and goodwill. Bye.